everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, choose your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey, so happy to have you back. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Megalook hair. They went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 30-inch loose wave 13x4 breathable airy cap wig unit, and honey, this unit is eating, especially for the winter time. Right now Megalook is having sale on their website for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I want you guys to definitely go ahead and jump on that because these prices are literally unbeatable for this gorgeous unit. It is gonna be a fraction of the cost and I'm loving it. In today's tutorial, I showed you how I quickly did this glueless install with this gorgeous unit from Megalook, and don't forget to go ahead and click the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase. It is super beginner friendly, and if you went ahead and purchased your Megalook wig, don't forget to stop by again to see how to install this unit very seamlessly and effortlessly because it does come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-parted, so it is literally a beginner's dream. And enough rambling, let's jump into today's tutorial. and I'm finally finished with installing this gorgeous wig from Megalook hair. They went ahead and sent me this 13x4 lace frontal wig unit in loose wave. It is 180 density and it is in 30 inches. So as you can see, it is definitely living up to that 30-inch mark or standard, because once I put it to the back, it's definitely grazing where it's supposed to, which is 30 inches on me. So I must say this is very true to length. It's one of the few wave patterns that I've seen that is actually true to length in regards to just being the same length as it would be if it was straight, and I love that. This is definitely one of those vacation units, and December's rolling around and everyone is usually traveling, and this is definitely a holiday look. So don't forget to go ahead and check out the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase. Right now Megalook is having their Black Friday sale, so don't forget to go ahead and check these units out, because the Black Friday Cyber Monday sales will be out of this world. You'll have super discounted wig units at an affordable cost and high quality as per usual. I'm loving this pattern, so don't forget to go ahead and click the links in the description box below if you'd like to purchase. So far so good. If we are going to talk about tangling, I'm not receiving any. Shedding is definitely at a minimum, and it is the perfect amount of hair that usually would come out when you detangle any sort of wigs with wave patterns or texture. So it is not alarming at all, and I know that for 180 density this unit is very thick, so it's definitely gonna hold up and last a very long time in your collection. This wig unit is their Glueless breathable airy cap units, so it does have a nice fit to it, a nice stretch, and it is super snug as well. I feel like this wig would conform to anybody's head, because my head is on the smaller side of things and it fits really nice and flat. I'm not having any extra baggage back here, which is a plus, because you know, sometimes if you get a wig that is not your size, it tends to look like a helmet, but this does no such thing. And this wig came pre-plucked, pre-parted, and in a sense pre-bleached. I didn't have to do too much where customization is concerned. Of course, you know, I zhuzhed it up a little bit, but this wig came pretty much beginner friendly and beginner ready to install. So if you are a beginner and you were looking to buy this specific unit, you shouldn't have much to worry about where installing is concerned. And yeah, as for today's video, thank you so much for watching. I have no other things to say, no negative remarks. This unit is absolutely amazing, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.